everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we explore the pressing financial concern facing by many individuals in the light of current economic conditions. With the rising cost of living and dwindling job security, saving for retirement has become increasingly challenging. However, as we investigate this issue further, I have discovered an alternative avenue for those approaching retirement to potentially earn extra income and retire early. Stay tuned as we uncover this intriguing opportunity. The economic condition of recent years have left a significant impact on retirement plans of millions of people. With stagnant wages, increased expenses, and volatile market, individuals are finding it difficult to put away enough money to secure a comfortable retirement. With the traditional retirement option providing less certainty, many individuals on the cusp of retirement are seeking ways to boost their income. They're searching for opportunity that can provide a substantial financial boost in the final year of their career. Enter high-ticket affiliate marketing, a relatively new and potential lucrative field that is gaining traction among individuals nearing their time. But what exactly is high-ticket affiliate marketing? High-ticket affiliate marketing involves promoting and selling high-ticket products or services on behalf of another company or brand. When customers make a purchase on your referral, you earn a significant commission. So why is high-ticket affiliate marketing gaining popularity among those who are preparing for retirement? Well, the allure lies in the ability to generate substantial extra income in relatively short time period. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, where the commissions are typically low, high-ticket affiliate marketing offers much higher commission rates. This means that individuals promoting high-value products or services can potentially earn thousands of dollars per sale. By dedicating their time and efforts to promoting these high-ticket items, individuals nearing retirement can earn a significant amount of money within a short time period, allowing them to supplement their existing retirement savings. Now that we understand the concept of high-ticket affiliate marketing and potential benefits it offers, how can those approaching retirement get started in this field? Firstly, individuals should identify high-ticket products or services that align with their interest and expertise. Next, they establish relationship with these companies or brands offering these products through affiliate marketing. Finally, through effective marketing strategies and targeted customers and targeted promotions, they attract potential customers and encourage them to make purchases. I've put a free training in the description below that will teach you everything. In conclusion, high-ticket affiliate marketing may be a promising avenue for individuals nearing retirement to supplement their income. By capitalizing on substantial commissions offered by promoting high-value products or services, they can potentially make significant strides towards an early and comfortable retirement. Check the free training and I wish you all the best.